Python group by. Assume that I have a set of data pair where index 0 is the value and index 1 is the type. I want to group them by their type, by the first index string, as such. How can I achieve this in an efficient way?
Do it in 2 steps. First, create a dictionary. Then, convert that dictionary into the expected format. It is also possible with itertools.groupby, but it requires the input to be sorted first. Note, before Python 3.7, both of these do not respect the original order of the keys. You need an orderedict if you need to keep the order. On or after Python 3.7, a regular dict keeps insertion order.
Python's built-in itertools module actually has a groupby function, but for that the elements to be grouped must first be sorted such that the elements to be grouped are contiguous in the list. Now input looks like. GroupB returns a sequence of 2 tuples, of the form, or key, values underscore iterator. What we want is to turn this into a list of dicts where the typer is the key, and the items is a list of the 0 or th elements of the tuples returned by the values underscore iterator. Like this. Now result contains your desired dict, as stated in your question. You might consider, though, just making a single dict out of this, keyed by type, and each value containing the list of values. In your current form, to find the values for a particular type, you'll have to iterate over the list to find the dict containing the matching a type or key, and then get their items or element from it. If you use a single dict instead of a list of 1-item dicts, you can find the items for a particular type with a single keyed lookup into the master dict. Using GroupB, this would look like. Result now contains this dict. This is similar to the intermediate residential default dict in at Kenetum's answer. If you want to reduce this to a one-liner, you can. Or using the newfangled dict comprehension form.
This answer is similar to @POM's answer but doesn't require sorting the input. For those into functional programming, GroupB can be written in one line, not including imports, and unlike itertools.groupb, it doesn't require the input to be sorted. The reason for ... or grp in the lambda is that for this reduce to work, the lambda needs to return its first argument, because list.append always returns none, the or will always return grp. I.e., it's a hack to get around Python's restriction that a lambda can only evaluate a single expression. This returns a dict whose keys are found by evaluating the given function, and whose values are a list of the original items in the original order. For the ops example, calling this as GroupB, lambda pair column pair 1, input, will return this dict. And as per @POM's answer, the ops requested format can be found by wrapping that in a list comprehension. So this will do it.
I also liked Panda's simple grouping. It's powerful, simple, and most adequate for a large dataset.
The following function will quickly, no sorting required, group tuples of any length by a key having any index. In the case of your question, the index of key you want to group by is 1, therefore, gives, which is not exactly the output you asked for, but might as well suit your needs.
If you want to channel, please consider subscribing.